Hey, what's going on, people? Hope you guys are doing good. Today, we're gonna dive deep into the Eufy S4 Max. This isn't just any security camera, it's a wired 4K system with a built-in local AI agent, meaning no subscription fees and all of your data is processed and stored right on the included hard drive. If you're a homeowner or tech enthusiast looking for a professional-grade private security solution without the reoccurring monthly cost, you're in the right place. We'll cover everything you need to know about its reliability, advanced features, and how it can help you avoid those pesky cloud storage fees. With all that being said, let's go ahead and get right into this video, beginning with the specs and features of this system. Each S4 Max camera boasts a unique triple lens setup, featuring a fixed 4K wide-angle lens for that broad overview, and then a 2K dual-lens PTZ camera right below it. This innovative combination allows you to keep an eye on large areas while simultaneously zooming in on specific details with incredible clarity. Plus, with the NVR's 8-core processor, all AI detection for people, vehicles, and pets happens right on the device. This local processing means faster notifications, and more importantly, your personal data stays private and never gets sent to the cloud. The S4 Max system leverages Power over Ethernet, or PoE, which means a single Ethernet cable handles both power and a stable data connection for each camera. This not only simplifies installation, but also ensures a constant, reliable video signal that can't be jammed like Wi-Fi. For storage, the system comes with a 2TB local hard drive inside of the NVR, which you can easily expand up to 16 terabytes, giving you extensive video history without the need for local cloud subscriptions. Expandability is also a key benefit. While the NVR has 8 PoE ports, you can expand a system to support up to 16 cameras by simply using a PoE switch. Just keep in mind that each S4 Max camera utilizes 2 channels due to its dual camera design. When it comes to complete control, you can manage the entire system and view live feeds through the Eufy security app on your phone or tablet, a web browser, or even directly from a monitor connected to the NVR. It even supports voice control via Amazon's platform and Google Assistant, though it is worth noting that Apple HomeKit isn't currently available. That said, Eufy has mentioned plans to release a separate Wi-Fi module for the NVR, which they say will enable integration with other Eufy security products in the future. Personally, I can't wait for this because I want to be able to connect my Eufy video doorbell to this system and have everything linked all in one, and I think that's going to be the icing on the cake when it comes to the NVR setup. When you unbox the Eufy S4 Max system, you'll find everything you need to get started. Besides the core components, you'll also find some essential extras, such as a power adapter for the NVR, a USB mouse to navigate, an HDMI cable to hook up a monitor, a LAN cable for your router, and 4 60-foot or 19-meter Ethernet cables, complete with watertight seals, perfect for those sturdy outdoor connections. These cameras are built to last, seriously. They feel incredibly solid and have an IP65 weatherproof rating, meaning they can handle whatever outdoor conditions come their way. The NVR unit is the brains of the entire operation, featuring 8 Power over Ethernet ports for easily connecting all of your cameras. It also has multiple USB ports for accessories like a mouse or a flash drive, an HDMI output for your monitor, and a LAN port to connect to your existing network. The most involved part of setting up the system is the physical installation. This usually means running those Ethernet cables from the NVR units to wherever you want each camera to go. Depending on your home's layout, you might need to drill holes through walls, carefully feed the cables, and then seal those openings to keep out water or pests. It's a bit of an upfront investment in time and effort, but it's key for a truly reliable, hardwired security system. In most cases, it may be best if you seek out a professional installer, which is what I did. If you're in the Orlando area and plan on getting Ethernet cable run through your home, make sure to check out Technology Wiring. This is the company that I use for my installation, and I can't recommend them enough. They replaced the Cat 5 cable that came included in the box with Cat 6, so they upgraded my wiring. They sent out 2 guys, everything was very professional, no holes were left in my wall, they covered everything up with these plastic plates, and everything was ran perfectly. Now, once those cables are ran and the cameras are wired, the software setup is surprisingly simple. It's truly plug and play. Just connect the NVR to power and link it to a monitor with the HDMI cable and connect it to the router. As soon as you plug in the cameras, they'll pop right up on your screen, completely eliminating the need for any extra configuration. So while the physical installation does require some effort and planning, the NVR setup itself only takes a few minutes, making it super user-friendly. Alright, so let's talk about the incredible visual capabilities of these cameras. Thanks to the starlight sensor, you can even get colored footage in very low light without needing the spotlight turned on, while the infrared mode ensures crystal clear black and white video in complete darkness. Beyond just seeing, these cameras are really smart. The PTZ tracking can lock on and smoothly follow a person walking or biking thanks to its powerful 8x zoom. It can also auto zoom and frame the subject to keep it completely centered. But perhaps the most groundbreaking feature is cross-camera tracking. Basically, if a subject walks out of one camera's view, it will seamlessly be picked up by the next camera. This means just 4 S4 Max units can provide continuous coverage that would typically require 8 separate cameras. And for immediate alerts, you get quick notifications. I'm talking instantaneous. If a person enters the frame, it triggers a pop-up on the NVR monitor in about 3 seconds and a notification on your phone in less than a second. This is a true testament to the speed of local processing. Finally, the AI detection is incredibly accurate. I mean, here's an example of the AI correctly identifying and tagging events as a person, vehicle, or pet. Plus, the system includes an unfamiliar and familiar faces function, and its accuracy gets even better over time as you correct any misidentifications. Now let's dive into the software and user experience. In the live view, the S4 Max efficiently displays the fixed camera feed on top and the movable PTZ feed below it. Plus, you can easily customize your camera grid to suit your preferences. One of the most impressive features is Smart Search, which is powered by AI. You can instantly find specific video clips by simply typing in descriptive keywords like person with a blue shirt, black car, or even deer. This incredible functionality saves you hours of manually scrubbing through footage, making it a major selling point and a true game changer for quickly reviewing events. Alright, so let's break down the advantages and the disadvantages of this system. The biggest benefits are the local AI and storage, meaning you're not forced into cloud subscriptions and there are absolutely no reoccurring fees. The power over Ethernet or PoE connection ensures a stable, constant video signal so you don't have to worry about Wi-Fi interference or dropouts. You'll never need to recharge batteries either. Plus, advanced AI features like cross-camera tracking and keyword-based smart search provide capabilities usually found in much more expensive professional systems. Now for the downsides. The main drawback is the installation effort. It requires drilling and running Ethernet cables, which is much more involved than setting up wireless cameras. The system is also proprietary. Currently, it only works with Eufy's own PoE cameras and lacks universal support standards, but Eufy will be providing the Wi-Fi module I mentioned previously to connect to other Eufy products in the future. Finally, the NVR needs to be physically connected to the cameras, which can limit where you place the hub, as it needs to be within cabling distance of all the cameras. But honestly, the pros definitely outweigh the negatives when it comes to this system, and I don't think I could go back to a wireless-only security system anytime soon. So who is the Eufy S4 Max ideal for? This system is perfect for anybody seeking a robust, reliable, and hardwired security system who's comfortable with the installation process. If local storage and privacy are key, along with the advanced AI tracking features and the desire to avoid monthly fees, the S4 Max is an exceptional choice. It's built for those who prioritize a permanent and powerful security solution. Now, on the other hand, if you're a renter or prefer not to drill and run cables through your home, a simpler Wi-Fi based camera system might be a better fit for you. The S4 Max is truly designed for users who want to invest in a more substantial and comprehensive security setup. With that being said, let's talk about the cost and value of the Eufy PoE NVR security system S4 Max. The system comes with 4 cameras and comes in at $1,299, and you can expand it with add-ons such as the E40 Bullet or E41 Turret cameras for $129.99 each, or you can pick up an extra S4 PTZ camera for $249.99. While it's definitely a significant initial investment, the robust features and the fact that there's no mandatory monthly subscription fees truly make it a compelling long-term value for a comprehensive security solution. If you have any questions about the S4 Max, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them as quick as possible. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart home videos just like this. Outside of that, I really hope you enjoyed the video and I'll catch you beautiful people in the next one.